Welcome to the Empower Mind with AI channel, a place where artificial intelligence and education meet. We're committed to enhancing learning experiences with the power of AI. Today, we're exploring some powerful study techniques that can transform your learning process. Before we get into the art of effective note-taking, let's take a moment to dive deeper into different note-taking styles and how they can enhance your learning. First off, we have the Cornell note-taking system. This method involves dividing your page into 3 sections: cues, notes, and summary. It's a great way to organize your thoughts and review the material effectively. Next up, we have mind mapping, a technique that allows you to visually organize information, making complex concepts easier to digest. And last but not least, there's the outline method. This involves using headings and bullet points to structure your notes, making it easier to identify key points and details. Remember, choosing the right note-taking style can significantly improve your study sessions, making learning not only easier but also more enjoyable. Let's delve into the art of effective note-taking, a cornerstone of successful studying. Picture this: note-taking is more than just a scribble on the page. It's a dynamic process that can help you grasp complex concepts and retain more information. Whether it's the tried and true method of Cornell notes or the visual approach of mind mapping, finding the right style can make all the difference. It's about turning the information you receive into knowledge you understand. Remember, note-taking is not just about jotting down information, but about understanding and remembering it. Now, you might wonder, why is note-taking so beneficial? Well, just imagine your brain as an overflowing cup. It can't hold everything, right? That's where note-taking comes in. It's like an external hard drive for your mind, helping you store information effectively. Not only does it bolster memory recall, but it also aids in understanding complex topics by breaking them down into digestible bits. It's a tool that prepares you for future exams, projects, or even real-life applications. Effective note-taking is your first step towards academic success. Having grasped the importance of note-taking, let's delve into some practical tips to make it more effective. First off, active listening is crucial. Don't just write down what your professor is saying, but try to understand it. This enables you to discern the key points that should be included in your notes. Secondly, make it a habit to review and revise your notes regularly. This doesn't just reinforce the information in your memory, but also highlights areas you might have misunderstood or missed out on. Lastly, master the art of using symbols and abbreviations. This can significantly speed up your note-taking process, ensuring you don't miss out on important points during fast-paced lectures. With these practical tips, you're all set to take your note-taking skills to the next level. In our digital age, technology plays a significant role in note-taking. Various digital note-taking apps such as Evernote and OneNote have revolutionized the way we jot down and organize our thoughts. These applications provide features like tagging, searchability, and multimedia support, making note-taking more efficient and engaging. Moreover, the integration of cloud storage services ensures that your notes are accessible anytime, anywhere, on any device. No more worries about losing your precious notes, but the technological revolution doesn't stop there. The advent of AI has further enhanced note-taking. With AI-powered tools, you can now have your lectures transcribed in real time, extract key points automatically, and even get personalized study recommendations based on your notes. Indeed, embracing technology can make note-taking not just more efficient, but also a more enjoyable process. So, don't shy away from these digital tools. They are here to aid your learning journey. To sum up, effective note-taking is a vital study technique that boosts learning and academic performance. It's an integral part of a larger toolbox of effective study methods, helping you excel in your educational journey. Thank you for joining us on the Empower Mind with AI channel. Don't forget to subscribe for more educational tips and tricks powered by AI.